Guys, hi and welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Cindy. I am back with another video. Today's video is all about the hair. This is a requested video by Tanya or Tracy. I can't remember the name, but you know who you are. You sent me a message on Facebook about short hair tutorial, and here it is. I am about to share with you guys what I like to do with my hair. How do I maintain my hair between my stylist visits when I go to her to get my trims and cuts? So I'm going to show you from start to finish how I maintain my pixie cut. So you guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Go ahead and share this video with one of your gal pals and your closest friend. Anyone with short hair, honey, who loves a cute cut, make sure you go ahead and share this video. And don't forget to hit that like button. All right, here it is from start to finish, my hair care routine. So you guys, I almost always wash my hair in the shower when I'm showering. I can't remember a time that I've actually washed it in the sink, except for when I go to my stylist, of course. But I wanted to show you some of the items that I normally use for shampooing my hair. I'm not a fan of a lot of shampoos, but I do like this Chi. I do like their products. And I also love the Carol Daughters products as well. You see, I have the lotion, I have the unfrizz conditioner, and I also have the shampoo, the infusing leave-in conditioner, Chi and product, and also the infusion oil that I like to put on my hair as well. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys some of the items that I usually use when maintaining my hair: the shampoos, the conditioners, the oil sheens, the sprays, and the moisturizers and thing, and that K-Pack, the firm hairspray. I like to spray my hair with that when I am curling, just to make the hair a little bit more maintainable. It doesn't make it hard like spritz do, which I hate spritz, but it just keeps the curls firm as you are curling your hair. So I just wanted to share those things with you guys. I'm going to go ahead with the video and show you how I like to mold my hair. So you guys, I have finished taking my shower slash my I have finished taking my shower slash my little hair wash. So what I first like to do with my hair is just put some kind of like some leave-in conditioner in there, and I like to do that because it makes my hair smell good, for one. And I like to use this Cream of Nature. I don't know if you guys have used this before, but and I like to use this bottle right here. So it smells so good. So this video is for, I believe her name is Tanya. I believe it's Tanya or Tracy. I have to look back at the video. But somebody inboxed me after I did my makeup tutorial. Well, my makeup tutorial, how I like to get glam in 15 minutes. And they wanted to know, they said they want to see a short hair video. So that is what I am doing for them, a short hair video. Now I'm about to apply, now that I put the conditioner in there, I'm just about to apply my wrap lotion, actually, guys. That's what I do next. I apply wrap lotion. And again, I'm using this one because I like the smell of it. But I like, oh girl, she ain't got that much left in her, but I'm gonna use all this to the last drop. Just get all this in there. And this one, I like to use this one because, only because, where's the string? I need to see what the string is. Only because it really, this one really to me, is softer. There's something wrong with this top because it shouldn't take that much for you to pump it. So there's something wrong with the top. Either it's stuck or something. But anyway, yeah, it doesn't take long for me to wrap my hair with that one. And it's so soft and I love it because it is soft. So what I do, I just usually play around with my hair um, with the wrap lotion on it. And with my fingers, I hate when it get in my ears. With my fingers, I just kind of swirl my hair. Now, when my hair was a lot longer, I did the same thing. I did the same technique. I swirled my hair with my fingers when my hair was a lot longer and I used to wrap it. I did the same technique, just kind of putting my hair in all the places where it needs to be. Putting it in motion before I comb it. Same thing. So, yeah. So, I'm going to show you a little trick what I do. Because I am aging, the girl is aging. And of course, I don't have on any makeup. So this is a live raw video. Let me see. I hope you guys can see me good. Is the lighting good? I'm on a different camera. Remember, you guys, my phone was damaged. So I'm in the process of getting a new phone. And I'm actually I had to go back to my old phone, which is not that pleasing. The video cameras are not that pleasing. I think it's only one camera on here. So because for you aging gals like me that are getting up in age, and you know, this is a disclaimer. I've had gray in my hair since I was in my 20s. So it's not that I don't like the gray. I'm just used to the gray. But I find that as I'm getting older, the gray is beginning to come out a little bit more. And she ain't ready for that. Okay. So what she's going to do is take her some hair coloring, and it's not jet black, it's natural black. So it's not the jet black, it's natural black. And all I'm gonna do is just I don't do that whole wash and rinse thing. I leave because it's not a permanent rinse. It's a rinse and not a permanent hair color. I put the hair color on top and leave it and mold my hair with it. Now I'm not putting a lot on there. I'm just putting it like just a little squirts here and there, and then I'm going to take the my comb. Show you how to take my comb. And that is one of the reasons why before I put the comb in it, I go ahead and play with it with my fingers to put it in the mold that I like it in, because I know once I do that, I am going to put a little bit of this black rinse on there and comb it through. And I want my hair to pretty much already be in the position of where it's going. So I don't like to have to put the rinse in there and then, you know, play with my hair and go all over the world with my hair. Now I'm going to put a little bit of this on my back. Just a little bit. Not a lot, guys. And I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to go to the back and comb it because I can't see back there. But I just want you guys to see if the black is back there. You'll see that it's covering the black. And then I'm going to come over here to the sides and put just a little bit, because that's really where all my gray is, on my sides. Okay. So I like to make sure that I have like a little separation in the back of where my front hair is going. and my back hair is going. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if they do that in the stylist chair or not, but it's how I do it. So, and this video is about how I do my hair, not how the stylists do yours and everybody else's hair, okay? So what I do is I don't really put a part in my hair. I comb it and I just let the natural lines of my hair take its place. And then I do my little side here. You know, I've heard a lot of people say, oh, I'm too grown for baby curls and this, that, and the other. Girl, you better put something on them baby curls. Keep that hair from looking nappy. You better define something to define that face and make that face look a little bit softer and prettier, especially if you're aging. I'm just saying. Especially if you aging. I hear a lot of ladies, I'm too old for baby hair and I don't like baby hair. It's not about liking the baby hair. It's just all about making your edges and your face, the crown of your face, look beautiful, sis. So let that just be a quick little tip for some of you older gals out there that say that you don't want to define the baby hairs. It's not about defining baby hairs. Of course, you don't have no baby hairs if your ass is 50. Excuse me. But it is all about, you know, framing your face and your edges so that when you're styling your hair look natural. It's about having a cute, natural finish to your hair. And so this is what I do, you guys. I just make sure that I have enough on there, and my little black rinse is coming out, but that's okay. You guys will see that. I don't mind. And I just swirl my hair like that. You know, people put too much, what I say in my makeup video, too much emphasis on stuff. Y'all put too much emphasis on stuff. It's not that serious. Now your black dye gonna get on your face. It get on your face at the beauty salon, it gonna get on your face at home too, okay? Especially when you put more wrap lotion on there like I just did. So, girl, don't freak out. Girl, don't freak out, girl. It's okay. Okay? So, all I want you to do is keep, and if your hair needs to be cut on these edges, I just had mine freshly cut probably about 2 weeks ago, so I'm not gonna worry about trying to make sure if it's, you know, tamed on the side. It should still be good. You know, like I said, I go to my stylist every so many weeks or once a month or once every 2 months. Now, because for several reasons, my patience is bad. My patience not like it used to be. And she's a lot slower now, and my patience is not good. And then too, I just feel like, you know, I can do it myself. I've always been the type of person that was able to do my own hair. However, I've always liked to go to the salon to get that professional finish. And, you know, at a time, I was going to the salon once a week, like every Saturday, every Friday or every Saturday. I was, you know, knocking down the salon door, going in there. And then, you know, I just got to a certain age where I realized, you know, what is, for what? Why am I going? Why am I, you know, and see this right here, you know, that's a whole nother thing, y'all. So I'm going to do this and bring my baby hairs back to where it needs to be. And this is just for a drying effect. It's not going to stay like that, you guys. Look at that. I'm going to leave everything on here for y'all to see. See how the dye runs down your face? That's real. That's authentic. I'm going to show you everything. I ain't bleeping nothing out. You want to know? I'm going to show it to you. You want to see? I'm going to show it to you, girl. All this happens. Sometimes you got to reapply this stuff 2-3 times. Sometimes you got to do it over 2-3 times to get the look that you want. So this is what I do. You want to know? I'm showing you. This is what I do. You're going to find on this channel that we keep it 100% real and authentic over here. We ain't got time for games. We ain't got, this is real life. You ask me a question and I'm going to give you the answer to it to the best of my ability and to how I do things and what I know. Not by what somebody else doing. Okay? So you'll find that this is what she does, not what everybody else do. Okay, so now that we got that intact, this is gonna dry, and all of this is really gonna dry, and I'm gonna either blow dry that out or just comb it out. So this part really doesn't matter. What I'm concentrating on is my sides, because those are the parts that I want to make sure is going to be absolutely perfect when I get ready to curl my hair. I want it to be cute in order to frame my hairstyle. Okay, and sometimes I have to do this over, like throughout the week. You can wrap your hair, but sometimes you have to do it over. And what I'm gonna do is just add my black ties. That's it, guys. Nothing spectacular about this. I do this even when I go to the salon and I'm paying for service. I have to wrap my own hair. So I'm so used to doing this that it's like a second, it's like second nature to me. It doesn't, affect me at all. My stylist wasn't even using these things until I asked her about it. Like I said, she's old school, y'all. She's been doing hair for, I know, probably over 30 years. Oops. And so a lot of things, she's on the, she's on that old school tip. So, but your craft, you do have to upgrade your craft. When you're doing something, you gotta learn how to upgrade it and stay within the know. So that is it, you guys. That is how I wash my hair, mold my hair, wrap my hair, and then I let this air dry. I actually don't sit up under a dryer at all. I'm gonna put my wrap around it once I can find it. It's in here somewhere, probably in the bedroom. I'm gonna put that around it just to make it nice and tight and keep everything in place. And then it's gonna air dry within the next hour or so. With me moving around the house and doing things, it's gonna air dry. It's gonna be dry. And sometimes I'll cut the ceiling fan on to make it a little faster, and I sit there under the ceiling fan to get that air to. But other than that, that's it. If I have nothing to do, I just wrap it and I sit around the house and I let it air dry within the next hour, maybe two, depending on if it's freshly permed or if it's thicker. It may take a little longer, but if it's freshly permed, it may take about an hour for it to actually dry. So when I come back, guys, you're going to see me. I'm either going to curl my hair or I may add pieces to it. So we will see when I return, which I will do. All right. I'll see you guys in a minute in the video.